In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a vendor inactive or delete them in QuickBooks Online. This is a quick and simple process that can be completed in under 5 minutes, making it an efficient way to manage your vendors in QuickBooks. First, let's start by signing in to your account. Open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. On this page, you'll want to enter your appropriate credentials such as your email address and password to log in. Once you've entered your information, click the Continue button to access your QuickBooks dashboard. With the dashboard in view, cast your eyes to the main navigation menu. Here you will find several options, but today we are particularly interested in the Expenses section. So go ahead and click on Expenses. This will lead you to a page displaying various expense-related options, among which vendors will be prominently featured. Clicking Vendors takes you to a list of all vendors currently recorded in your QuickBooks Online account. Now that you are on the vendor list page, take a moment to identify the specific vendor you wish to make inactive. Each vendor entry has a small drop-down menu that might not be immediately apparent. Take a careful look to the right side of the vendor name and you'll spot this drop-down. Once you've located the drop-down menu next to the vendor you want to update, click on it. This will reveal several options. Look for the option that says Make Inactive and select it. This action won't immediately make the change, you will need to confirm your intentions. A confirmation box will appear asking if you are sure you want to make this vendor inactive. It is designed to prevent accidental deletions or changes. Take a moment to review the information one last time before you finalize this step. If you're certain about making this vendor inactive, go ahead and click on Yes, Make Inactive. It's worth noting that this step doesn't delete the vendor entirely from your records. Rather, it simply flags them as inactive, meaning they won't appear in your active vendor listings, but their data will remain in your records for future reference or reactivation if necessary. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've learned how to manage your vendors efficiently within QuickBooks Online by making one inactive. This method is particularly useful in keeping your records organized and ensuring that your list of active vendors remains current and relevant to your business needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one.